Hey, what's up, you guys? Hope you're doing well. In this video, I want to show you another interesting certificate that we recently received from one of our clients, and I literally posted it today by the time I received this certificate. So these type of certificates always make me excited because it's never boring, guys. It never becomes a norm for me when I see other people are getting the same results, sometimes even better than mine. So it's crazy that this guy literally made over $20,000 in profit on his $500,000 account, Mr. Bahram. As you can see right here, you can verify the certificate. You can also join our Telegram channel by clicking the link below in the description. I was saying twice, and you can see everything for yourself. So this is the best way that you can approach this system, because you got to see the results first, how it works, how I use it personally, if everyone can use it or not. Every information is available in the Telegram channel, and you can get in touch with our support team in case you need us, and we are always available for you. So the point is that these people have no idea about trading. So most of these certificates come from regular people that go to their 9-to-5 job, and they decided to get funded without even passing a prop firm challenge, because that's what we can do for them. And we can actually give them an account between $6,000 to $1 million from a US-based prop firm that supports every country. And it's literally this one here. So you can go to their website, between $6,000 to $1 million, but you need to purchase a challenge. So this is a challenge fee you can see right here, and you need to pass the challenge. But we have a special offer that we can literally give you a direct live account. So it's an instant funded account without passing a single evaluation. You heard it right, because nobody wants to waste their time anymore. Everybody wants to get straight into the live accounts and make money, and they can request withdrawal after 21 days. So that's the beauty of instant funded accounts. And you can, after you receive the accounts, and the accounts are going to be under your own name, you do your KYC. After that, you immediately start trading. So that's how easy the process is. And it depends on your budget, that whether you want to go for $1 million account or $6,000, it doesn't really matter. And the bigger the account is, the more profit you can make. So imagine you make 3% on $1 million account versus 3% on a $6,000 account. So there's a huge difference. And at the same time, it depends on your budget. But when you join the channel, you can see the AI trading bot results as well. This is the system that we use on the live accounts to manage the accounts for us. So we don't do anything ourselves. We don't trade manually. We don't sit behind the charts. And I've been saying it for, 3 years maybe. And this is a pretty old channel that you guys are watching this video on, because I started this channel almost 3 years ago. And I always say automated trading, automated trading, automated trading. But a lot of people don't listen. At the same time, a lot of people do listen. And that's how they can transform their life. Because in the beginning, they don't believe that this market can be this easy to make money off. They think that they need to go through all these materials. They need to buy courses. They need to backtest. They need to sit behind the charts and do all the boring stuff. But in fact, if you have the right tool and the right system, you do not have to do any of that stuff. And you just let an AI trading system to do that for you. You just put it on your account. You make whatever percentage on the lowest risk, 2, 3, 4, 5%. And after 21 days, you can withdraw your profits. So that's how easy it is, guys. I recommend you to join the channel, see the results, see the withdrawals from my side and the client side. And if you have any question, definitely get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to assist you with the process. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have any question, you know where to find us, and hope to see you soon.